Hello everybody. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be replacing that mirror. So what you're going to need is your pull-up puller, like I said in the last video, because there's push pins. I'm just doing it so I can pop this out, the tweeter, and you're going to need a 10 millimeter long socket. You can tell it's a long socket because it's a little longer than the regular counterpart, the short one. Like it's only about like that size. So, and finally, what you're going to need are some brains. Let's get into this, shall we? So what you're going to do is I'm going to pull it off. I already pulled it off, but you guys know what to do to just pull it off with your little prong puller. And then what you gotta do is loosen all these bolts. Put that away. It's pretty cold out, so that's why I'm doing it in the car. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Let's take those off right now. Okay, we got the 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts off. So this bolt was actually one of these. So, I mean, it's still all the same size. So, how we're going to disconnect the mirror harness is we're going to use our prong puller again. Now, if you see under here, if this camera can focus again, there is a little clip. And then you gotta just wiggle it right here. Make sure you hold your mirror, or else your mirror will fall off, and we don't want that to happen. Hold on, let me do it. Okay, got it unclipped. Now what you're gonna do is carefully make sure you don't drop it, and then just pull out. Pretty easy. Now for installation, you do the same thing all over again. Slide it in. Hold on. Okay, snug. Now try not to bump your door, or else the whole thing will fall. And hold the mirror to connect your harness, so if it does try to fall, it won't fall to the floor, it'll just loosen up. So there we go, all snug. And now we put our bolts back in. Okay, tight. Make sure they're not too tight. On to the next. Okay, next one. Tighten. Next. Come on, focus. There we go, tighten. And now we put back our tweeter. Pop it back in. There we go, all snug. And now we test out the mirror. Let me close my door. Okay, well, that seems like it's it. I'm gonna be posting another video soon about like what you guys want to see on the channel, like because it's going to be spring soon, and I'll just when you have post notifications, you'll get the video. So until next time, watch the vids. See ya.